God, we give me the victory.
What's up? How y'all doing? So guys, the video that I'm gonna show you guys is Queenie. Y'all know Queenie, Lady Gangster Queenie. So Queenie's a bit emotional and she's crying like she miss her daughter. She really and truly miss her daughter. She missed the fun that she and her daughter used to have. She missed the talks that she and her daughter used to have. Like, it's very painful. I feel so like sorry. I feel sorry for her because no mom should be going through this pain. You understand? No mother should be going through this. So people want to keep Queenie in on the prayers. Pray up Queenie because she needs the strength. She needs the strength to go on day by day because each day it's gonna be worse and worse, but she's gonna get there. She's gonna get there by the help of God. She's gonna get there. But guys, pray out for me, please. And guys, before exit the video, after I watch the video, please like up the video, share the video, comment down below, let me know what you think about this video, and also put on your post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. So let's go over and watch the video with Queenie.
At which point of time in our life, but I want Rachel dead. It's not my choice. But I never want. Life, God is not dead. He's me have a nice husband, you know. He said, do it. When me hear no write up some things up on the internet. You know why my aunt do it? You know why my aunt are? So, oh, she discriminate my husband. Yeah, Jamaica, Portmore, Queenie, crazy. You're gonna get one nice man. God, I'm gonna make you get one nice man. We love you. Me not live it because my heart broken. My ball to the core, I'm depressed. I'm said, even me don't want no man. And she said, me I tell you crazy. Me and that woman talk on the phone, I will drop asleep. You know what God made do we meet me? Yvette plays the first. Me there in Jamaica for 8 months. My husband, him cook. Him put my clothes in the washing machine. Him sweep the yard. Him wash the van. And me just cock up and just live blood clot. Me supposed to take care of my husband. I love my husband and honor him because he take me to the pastor, to the Lord, and anoint me as his wife. What uno can tell me, say? When do we come look for me? No, never did it. I do it by him once come. At least me did have company, Yvette. I mean, Yvette said, I say, Yvette, I'll come out boy, the brighty. I want to be my man. I say, watch a little needle there. That little thread there. Him can't string my needle. You no like love and naturality. Because you no love and you don't know what it is to love. It's my loving true royal crazy them and a big up on a nice clean self. Let me tell you something, haters. Oh, God bless, no one curse. Remember when I there, I'm out now prison. And them say them I got it me. And me just say, God, anything them want to them do. Me have life. Anywhere me them live, me survive. Me a gangster. Me is a warrior. Me stand up for myself. Me stand up for what I believe in. Anointed. It's not me anointing myself. It's Father God. You see him? Him writing words in this. People write it and portray it. But have your own understanding along with it, your own message. Because someone will use it or use it the wrong way, in the wrong context. To sit down and rejoice that Queenie and do it fine. If man do it for left tomorrow, we get 1 year and 6 months good. I'm going to take life one day at a time, sweet Jesus. One day at a time, sweet Queenie. That's all I'm asking. It's so my daughter dead and gone. Honestly, I still get on with life, but in here so sore. Sore. You know when you have sore foot, I have to put jail for it when the sore foot broke out, I say that's a sore. But it's because my God is real and I can feel him as much as I can't see him. Like how when I feel pain, I can't feel it and I not see it. Me know my God is real. My God is real. Real in my soul. My God is real. 'cause he has washed and made me whole. My God is real. Prayer that day. Prayers may I use and be to know. Nothing Magnum, big up yourself. Then I come talk to me, just have me attack. I don't know my bally. But can't create a bally. Can't help myself. I'm just me. My bad mind and selfish when it come to me. Me no negotiation with nobody for how me feel at home for express myself. I'm sorry. You could have loved me like Jesus loved little kids. You see me say I come scream. Me I scream. Me not busy if you know what I tell me. So how can you love you? Loud and proud. Awful and disgusting. But my real. Christ so real to me. I love God. We give me the victory. At which point and time in our life, I don't want Rachel dead. It's not my choice. But I never want. I know I still can't believe that. May I live without Rachel in the God know. Who believe? That's how I know God is real. I know my anointed by God. So I come from Jamaica. I come from Jamaica the 30th of May last year. I trapped down there for 8 months, me and my husband down there. So I got hospital. I see Rachel. I'm afraid. I'm an old kid. I'm afraid. I have to stand up and show that strength. I'm scared. I'm terrified. Me never have nobody close to me like that. We go through that. You hear that? I'm a whole it up, so Rachel strong. Me I comb my ear and the whole of her ear I come out and me I hide them in your thought. So me I hide them, so they come out, me hide them. And my dad, she said, Mom, my hair is staring out. And I said, what shall you know? Me I hide it, but the girl didn't know. I go in the hospital bed, all when I visiting time, I still cock up in her bed. Me now come out to the nurse and come put me out. And you can see Rachel was so terrified. It's showing her eyes the way she looked at me. And when she talked, me know I look at her, I was scared. Because me know she don't want to leave with. And she said she's sick. RoRo. Remember when we were at the hospital then? I'm going to say, Rachel, say, I know them come in here, come sit up to me. I can't cuss them. My daughter so love me. Bless her. She's so stush and decent. But she keep up with all of the arms house and the bagger fuck with me. That is someone accepting their mom for who she is. That is a child that know this is.
Guys, know that you see, Queenie is very emotional and she's in pain. She's in pain. Like, guys, I want to know, just pray up Queenie for me, pray up Queenie. And thank you all for watching. I appreciate the love. I appreciate every one of you guys that always share my video, that always comment, that always like my video. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it so much. So until next time, your girl is out.